I'm Bernie Madison. I live at Kelly Lake with my wife and daughter. My oldest daughter lives with us. She's handicapped. And my youngest daughter lives in Neenah, and she has 4 kids. It'll be 2 years this July that I had the procedure done. And before that, I was having a tough time making a flight of steps. Walking was not good. Carrying things was not good. I would get sick if I walked too far. And I didn't do much. I sat around on a couch, and that's not me. I don't sit on the couch. And so then I had the procedure done, the TAVR, and after maybe a month, I was pretty much doing whatever I wanted to do. I'm amazed at what they can do, and I think I was only in the hospital for 4 days. I gotta say, the doctors and the nurses, everybody at the hospital was wonderful, just great. The life change is awesome from what it was. I try to walk as much as I can. I go hunting a couple of days a week. I'm walking in the woods. Grandkids come up, I go outside with them. Me and my wife get to go out more with our friends now, and that's important. It's way better than sitting home on the couch, I can tell you that. I just thank God for the Heart Association because of the research they do. That's amazing to me. I can't say the words, find the words to how appreciative I am for the doctors, nurses, and the Heart Association. So I'm just grateful.